Up. Hi, Sir Don. Just wake up. Good morning, Sir Don. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, pa. I sleep well. Sir Don. Warm up. Kakatabi, masarap ng tuhod niya kahapon. Thank you, Sir Don. Hi, good morning, Dad.
Good morning, sister.
Kasama ka mo?
Yes.
Thank you po. What's good to hear? I sleep well po. Sarap na tulog na may tagal. Mag-aanta.
May nakapatong ang ilistarok mo ng sige. Ipit yan yung... Jadi sa size.
Kung katulog ka mo? Dalawa nga din yung nanda. Baka wala ko siya dito.
Ha? Patay ka na?
Hello, ating Zumba. Sir Don.
Ah, gamit ako.
Warm up. Alright. So tell me where the woods speaking. Thank you. Jomare, hi Jomare. Whoops. Val, Mero, Susa, Helly, hi Helly. Thank you, let's coffee pa.
Ano ka, baby?
Say hi, say hi. Good morning. Good morning. Say hi. Good morning. Tahanan mo ako di magbabago. The copy is from Very Good Morning Jollibee. Hi, Kuya Jay. Good morning, Kuya. Tahanan mo ako. Your crush is still sleeping. Sana all my crush. Star. Hi, Owen. Hello. Parang may ano ni Dada pa papasakay.
Ha?
Parang push ano yun. Matapos na ano na yan?
Tanggal. Oh, ano na lang, ano pa. Ma-flooring.
Ma-flooring na.
Tapos pa lang first window.
Your body is yummy. Oh my goodness. I want to talk to you about that. Why? Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. Do you single? Maybe if I'm single, I'm not single. I'm not single anymore. Charot. Can I text you on WhatsApp? No, there's okay. Okay, yes po, Kuya Jay. Yes po, Kuya. Greetings from Poland. Hi, Dan from Poland. Thank you for joining. Good morning. I told Mike about that, and he said, "Oh, really? Are you cold? Cold here, but little, ano na, because I want."
If I knew that you were
Morning, Fred. Sir Fred. Morning. Evening. Morning na. I'm working po. I will text in a little while. Okay po. You are beautiful. Thank you. Evening to you. Ah, yes. Evening. Richard Ruhano. Hi, Richard Ruhano. Kuya Dre, blah. Sunny nice and beautiful on your kingdom. Yeah. Going to rain. Sunny here but clouds coming in. Here, no. I think beautiful weather here. Sir Fred. Later, Fred. Bye, Jollibee. Bye-bye. Bye, Kuya Dre. Take care, Kuya. Take care, Dre. I'm not in the mountain and you're in the city now. Po. Thank you po. Oh my God. Surprise! Kulay. Asmana, Pony D.
Bago kita sila, ano? Bago kita sa ulan,
Eat. Crunch. Crunch. This is the egg. Boiled egg. Belly young. Young cup. Crunch is your with chewing food. Crunch. Eat. Yeah. Hi. At least you're using fork. At least. Not fingers. Yes. Because this is an egg. Need use fork, not the finger. You're becoming Americanized. Yeah. Yeah, I need to Americanize. I need to learn because when Mike, me and Mike visiting an ano, we're going to ano, you need to practice. Yes po. Thank you, Sir Fred. Don't want to go nice restaurant. Don't want to go nice restaurant and use pay. Yes po. I need to ano. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Fred. Para kang ang para kita ang direksyon. You still need counseling. Oh, yes po. Counseling. Okay, Sir Fred. Yes po. Sir Fred, yeah. No. Terrible, you're going to meet Mike for. No, not. I'm not. I don't like that. I don't want to get. Hi, belly cup. I don't know. Jess Rocker. Hi, Jess Rocker. Hello po. Papa Sharon. Thank you, Sir Jess. Hey, Rocker. Hi, Fred. From Rocker. Sir Kenneth, hello Miss Lady, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. How are you, Sir Kenneth? Cheryl, learning how to use silverware, silver wave rocker. Hey, Johnny. Kahapon maano na siya. Sarang ang
Pinita niya.
sa pinit ha. Napiniton man talaga?
Nga.
Sunny here now. Little, ano, let's get fancy and use chopsticks. No, no, no chopstick. Your vacation went too fast, huh, Rocker? Way too fast. Hi, Abigail. Sergius Rocker, next me. Vacation. Me and Mike. Ah! Next year again. Next month. It seems shorter than the 2 weeks last time. It's mm, mm. How many days, Cheryl? 24 days. My God. 24 days. 24 days. My gulay. 23. 23. 23, 24. 24. 23. 24. 21. Yes. Oh my God. Next trip will be a wedding, hopefully not much more than a year. Oh wow! Congratulations, Sir JS Rocker. Yes. Advance congrats. 20. Wait lang. I need to call. That's great. Hope you invite us, Sir JS Rocker. Cheryl already planning her wedding, yeah. Yes po. Antonio. Hi, Antonio. I'm trying to call him, but still sleepy maybe. I'm trying to call him. Busy. Ringing. Ringing. Hello, good evening. Greetings from Argentina. You are very pretty and beautiful. Blessings. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you. Busy. Like, what the hell? Was sleeping when I went bed last night and still sleeping. That man loves sleep. He needs energy. He needs rest. He's he take a pill to his, that's why he sleep a lot. Love your smile. Thank you po, Robert Lawrence. He gonna take the pill when with you. I take a pill too, but I'm lucky I will get 5 hours. You don't need take a pill when with me. Oh my God. Then you can do whatever you want with them. Yeah. Get him some marksman. Ako, Sir Fred, I will note oh my God, you have give me an idea, my good. Put lipstick on him and take pictures while he's sleeping. He's beautiful than me. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's still sleeping. Oh, goodness. Try to call him again. Yes. Don't wanna let go. Why? Still sleeping. Oh my goodness. He's too big for you to move him, but you can put ladies' panties. Oh my God. This sounds like blackmail pictures. Oh my God, surprise. Yes, I can't do, I bully Mike. This is still, no, not yet. Still sleeping, he pays me. Still sleeping, oh my goodness. He pays you. He pays you to bully him. My goodness. He's still sleeping. Thank you pa. We will call it counseling, but it's bullying. Yeah, counseling, but it's bullying. Tell me where we went, right, Cheryl? Yes. Sir Fred. Tell me where to hold the time, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my dad. Does he wear a tiny leather outfit and have a bag? Balgag! My goodness! He might be a freak and like all of that. Oh my god! Ah, perfect. Perfect. Reno, hi Reno Campilan. Tell me whether it was right, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Diri mo lang yung tatakloban. Look how excited Cheryl is when we talk about Mike like this. Oh my god. Tom Rainbow, you can't make any woman happy. Ah, yes, pa. Thank you, Jess. Record. Don't let her go. Why is still sleeping? Hi, Donnie. Too much sleep. Oh my God. Maybe he going outside. Bro looks like he's wearing a lipstick talking about wanting to make you happy. Yes, pa. Oh, sure, so the open mic nun. Maybe he's asleep a lot. I'm disappointed. Good morning. Snowfall. Because I'm going to work. I need to double tap your screen, like, subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Sir Donnie. Don't wanna let her go. How are you, beautiful? How are you, beautiful there? I'm fine. How about your day, guwapa mahal? Sunny day today. Beautiful day, amazing day, beautiful. Maybe he tore one up last night and he's sleeping it off. Yeah, maybe. Yes, you're very welcome, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Donnie. Are you from? Yes, I'm from Philippines. Tell me where the would start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. You're making happy life. Good making, yes. Happy life. Not yet married. He don't drink, can it? Ha? May tama ka ako? Ay, si Mama. Sabi niya nakatuloy sa niya. Changes. Ang si ano? Si Pilipinos. Siya nagtamo na ano. Ano ba nga sila pa rin sa mga yatag mga sa palay? Ayan na siya niya. Yan, pura pa sila sa iba. Crush po, halimbawa ang kailangan mo ay 20 minutes, tapos tumilaman 20 minutes. Ano yung sa oh, nandun lang. Isa lang? Isa lang lang. Ay, para lang din mo. Kung alam dyan, matukuha sa dalawa sa o, sumaman daw, tama ka. Basta first ball. Okay, magkano to? Sorry, just busy. No, man. Oh my God, like. Ay, mali. So tell me where the world's time concentrating my heart. Thank you pa. Arrange it for her. Arrange what? Ticket last time I looked for the Philippines. They're pretty reasonable. Huh? Ticket? Ticket. She's online all the time. No, but she is unavailable. No, she doesn't want to private chat with you. Huh? Maybe, what is that? He don't, what time you online daily? Snowfall? No, she doesn't want to private. Thank you. She's online all the time, but just is not. Yes, because I'm working here, busy. Not all. I'm not. Tickets last time I looked for the Philippines are pretty reasonable. Are you at the vacation, Sir Kenneth? I hope you're busy. I'm busy. Who are you, Snowfall? Where are you from? Orange what? Orange shit for her.